Let's see how to increase stitches in knitting. For example, we need to add 1 stitch here. We take the needle, insert it like this, and knit a stitch. Now we've added 1 stitch. Knit the next stitch as usual, as a knit stitch. Let's watch that slowly now. Here's a stitch from the previous row. We take the needle, insert it through the top of the stitch, and knit a stitch. A knit stitch. Now we've added 1 stitch. Then we continue knitting the rest of the row as usual. And that's how we add a stitch in knitting. What if we need to add stitches at the end of the row? Simply twist the yarn and place it over the needle. Like this. Watch it again. It's very simple.